Hey guys, Myron here with Recontext Tri-Cities. So what we have coming up is the interior of a sedan that is really dirty. We're going to go through the process, what we use for the products to clean it up before this process of starting, and what it's going to look like after. This is going to be a great transformation. Check it out.
So here we have interior of a car. As you can see, needs quite a bit of work. We're going to start by using our MPC cleaner here on the vinyl. Just giving you a shot here of what we're working with. Lots of stains in the carpet, along the side, on the vinyl. Here there's grime from arms sitting on the armrest, which is really common as it builds up on the vehicle. Here we're using our MPC cleaner. As you can see, it's breaking down the grime very easily. And this is diluted down 5-to-1. Very concentrated formula, very effective. You're about to see how awesome our citrus fiber foam is. This application, we're going to be using a 10-to-1 dilution ratio. The product is so concentrated that it can be diluted 25-to-1 for light clean and shampooing on carpets. 25-to-1 dilution ratio? This bottle's going to last your whole life. You may be able to pass it on through the family. Okay. Maybe it won't last you that long, but it's going to be very effective, and it's going to last you a long time for any applications you need for cleaning your carpets. Whoa, look how much dirt our carpet extractor is pulling out of these seats. Now our Natural Shine is a very good product in protecting the interior and giving it a satin finish. It's not going to have a syrupy, high glossy, sticky finish that a lot of those over-the-counter products you have that you get at the auto parts store. This just has a nice, nice shine to it, has a kind of renewed look to it, makes it easy application, just gives it a nice renewed look. Is it time to bring your vehicle in to get that interior refreshed after the summer vacationing? Kids having food in the vehicle, potato chips, popcorn, gardening tools, dirt, all inside the interior. Then bring out in to Recontext Tri-City.
Thanks for checking out our video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a comment, like our channel, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.